another broken plate.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. Today's video is a bit of a get it all done with me. So this is all the kind of things that if I'm having a particularly productive Sunday that I will get done. I do really love to have a productive Sunday. I feel like it is just really good for preparing for the week ahead. It gives me a lot of structure for the day. I feel like I'm not wasting the day if I'm productive. It just keeps me organised and in control of the week ahead. So one of the things that I'll always do on a Sunday is wash my bed covers. So I'm getting them hung outside because the weather is beautiful and I absolutely love being able to dry my bedding on the line. I also like to spray them with crease release, which just makes them smell amazing.
Even the words can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without
On Sundays as well, it's normally the day when there is a bit more time for a longer breakfast. So school mornings is normally very quick, rushed sort of bowls of cereal, whereas on a Sunday I can take a little bit more time and do things like this where I'm putting together a nice grazing fruit platter. I really do enjoy doing things like this as well. Like I just get a lot of joy out of preparing things like this. So it's dead quick as well. The boys seem to eat so much more when I prepare things like this and have it all on display. So it was just loads of fruit, pastries, Greek yogurt, muesli and cereals, and then we all just sort of helped ourselves to it. Like I say, trying to get fruit in the boys is always a little bit of a challenge, so when it's all prepared like this for them, they seem to eat so much more. But yeah, Sundays is definitely a day when I can take a little bit more time to make breakfast, which I really enjoy doing, like making pancakes or a full English. It's just something that makes me really happy to do.
you, everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right. 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 Oh yeah. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every
Sunday is always a good time to sort of restock the fridge. So I've got a food shop coming. I'm going to clean the fridge out and have everything organised, check the dates on everything and have it ready for all of like new foods going in. It's also a good time for me to sort of just check what snacks I've got for the boys. And have them ready to go, like their smoothies and things that they're going to take to school with them. But I'm just going to clean the fridge, like give it a proper deep clean. So I washed all of the shelves in containers in some hot soapy water and then filled the fridge back up and made it all nice and neat and organised so I knew exactly what I had.
You're so full of yourself, and I'm full of you 'cause you're always in my space. Your apologize came a little too late. You look into my eyes and I always take the bait. After all that we've been through, I always knew I'd be the one to care a little bit way too much. So now I'm gonna make a fuss. It has always been about you, never been a to be set for two. You never care a little bit, not much. So now I'm gonna make a fuss. Do you see me now? Oh, do you see me now? Do you see me now? Oh, do you see me now? Let me explain. I'm done with this, you will always be the same.
Also, Sunday is always a good time to get some jobs done around the house, like cleaning the carpets. I absolutely love this carpet cleaner. It's the Tinaco carpet cleaner. I find it really good. I think there's something really satisfying about going into a new week with the house as fresh as can be. Yeah, so I like to do a good deep clean on a Sunday of everywhere.
You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. Here's what you
And now I'm just putting the bed covers back on. It's taken no time at all to dry, which is what I love about this time of year, because I can get so much washing done, because when it is sunny, everything dries so quick. And I'm always happy if I can go into a Monday with a fairly empty washing basket before it gets filled up again. So yeah, it's nice to be able to get so much done when the sun's been shining.
I'm not giving up in the name of love. I'm not giving up yet on you. In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of love, in the name of love. You think it's easy, yeah. Falling in love, well, maybe for you. I think it's crazy. Oh no.
Now my shopping has arrived, so it's time to put all of that away. Stocked up for the week. 3 kids, it just never seems to last very long. So yeah, a nice full fridge again to last hopefully a while. I'm just having a little chat to my sister as well, a little Sunday catch up, but whilst I'm putting it away.
In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of love, in the name of love. I'm gonna call you up. In the name of love, I'm gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up yet on you. You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly, no, 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 cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. But I'm not done with you. But I'm not done with you. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. I'm gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up in the name of love. I'm not giving.
And something lately I've been really trying to get in the habit of is meal prepping for myself for the week. So I'm trying to eat a little bit better, so I like to prep a few breakfast days ahead and also things for lunches. So I'm just going to cook some chicken breasts, dead simple, just salt and pepper and some olive oil. And then I got these boxes from B&M. I think it's a pack of 6, so I'm just gonna lay them out and just lay out things that I'm gonna eat for that week. So I got some protein bars from Aldi, and then I basically just put salad, chicken, rice, avocado, tomatoes, a little bit of sweet chili sauce on there. That's my lunches done for a few days in the week. I was also making one for that day as well.
Going out. Oh, this is hard to admit. I don't long for your kiss, and I know you don't care. Oh, what we had was a bliss, but it's falling to bits. Darling, this is it. I tell these up. We both knew it shouldn't have to hurt this much. I don't want it to see it, but we've lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it to hurt too much. I don't want it to see it, but we've lost touch. My heart can't take it any longer. This careless love is getting old. Let's face it, we're not getting younger. If all is said and done, it's time we let it go. Oh, this is hard to admit. I don't long for your kiss, and I know you don't care. Oh, what we had was a bliss, but it's falling to bits. Darling, this is it. I try
then I also did some for breakfast, some little breakfast boxes. So just some yogurt, honey, muesli and banana and strawberries. And I'm always so happy when I have prepped things ahead like this, because it just saves me reaching for things that's not going to give me as much energy. So yeah, I'm always very happy with myself through the week when I've decided to do this on a Sunday. And to me, they all look so inviting and fresh, and yeah, I'm really pleased when I do this. That is where I'm going to leave today's video. That is all the productive jobs that I managed to get done on a Sunday. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything that I got up to. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I would absolutely love if you came back again for my next video. Thanks everyone, bye!